Yo, man, I already know that there's people out there hating on me, man. Man, there's some brothers out there hating on me. There's some Christian brothers out there hating on me. Man, I even got family out there hating on me, man. But you see, I already know. And they want me to quit speaking flows. But I'm not gonna stop, man. I'm not gonna let y'all haters get to me, bro. Yo, I know, every time I spit a flow, I go psycho, man, you know I'm out of control. Every time I bust a rhyme, sometimes I don't even know. I look at myself, then I just say, whoa, but I thank God for everything that He's done for me, giving me ability to do it so easy. I know that I'm not the best, but I don't try to be the #1 spot, fullness. What you wanna hear? I'm busting on this grind, man, I'm driving on them steers. I don't have no fear, I'm doing who I am. It's Adam Garcia, man, I'm never gonna clown. I ain't clown around, but them haters, they some clowns. They not gonna see me frown. They try to knock me down like I'm some dominoes, but I get up again. You push me down, but I get back up again. I know that I got these haters hating, but it's okay, cause they know that I am not faking. Hey, I know I got these haters hating, but that's okay, cause you know I'm not faking. I know, yeah. Oh, I know. Christian brothers saying they some fam, but they're not. Worldly brothers saying they're there, but they're not. Some family, man, they don't have my back now, but I'm standing tall, man, I'm not going wrong. Everything I do is true, man, I'm always on the mic. I'm never gonna stop, man, you know I'm not a dyke. I ain't even tripping when I spit on the mic. I got what I got, man, I think in Christ right. I'm doing this, what I love, and what I love, man, is what I do. I thank God for everything, and you know that is no clue. I've got these haters hating, I hear you talking, but you see I'm not gonna drop now. Yeah, so you ain't gotta tell me. I know I got these haters, man, they all wanna hate. Hey, they wanna see me dead, but see I am alive, and I am not tripping, man, I see that knife. Ha! So I'm buzzing on rhyme and I'm buzzing on flow. I'm never gonna stop. I don't know why these people wanna hate on me, because I tell the truth every time I spit on the mic. They just wanna hear them lies. They thinking it's all I know. I'm hearing voices, but it's okay. I'm chilling every day. I'm on my payday. Every Friday, I'm always on my grind. I'm thanking God for everything that's in my life. For everybody that came into my life. To everyone that bounced out of my life. Bounce low, ride. I'm doing this to the sky, not to please y'all. I don't hate at all, more love found. I'm doing what I can, but you never gonna see me frown. Yes, I be the press, but you know I don't mess around. I am the truest, the realest, but that's okay. Y'all haters sleeping on me, but it's gonna be a big earthquake when I come through. And you already know, I know that you hate me. It's okay, I never really fit in just because I'm a Chicano and not the right man. Yes, my dad is Mexican from that Mexico. Yes, my mama's white from that Mississippi. Call me a mixed breed, but I'm not Tony Romo. At least I gotta go every time when I spit a flow. Yeah, you ain't gotta tell me. I already know that you hate me. You hate me, I know. They want me stop flowing, man. The devil is tripping, but it's okay, cause you know I'm not doing this for the you, not for the show. Wow, you know I'm only saving. I know that you hate me. You can't stand me. Every time I spit lately, I haven't rhymed lately. I try to quit this flow, but somehow I just come back in the studio. Selling the mic, I really don't care. It's a Samson, why do I gotta pull on my hair? I got this Mac Pro, but I'm not a pro. But I tried so hard, but I guess I gotta go. I'm heading out the door, I see them looking at me. Them haters wanna kill me, but it's okay though. I'm never gonna run, I'm living in the city. It's that north side, funky town on my grind. I'm never gonna trip, I'm doing what I can. People don't appreciate what I give away, man. I give it away for free, give you the shirt off my back. But everybody wanna hate, they wanna whip that. Yeah man, I know I got these haters everywhere that I go. Yeah man, yeah I know that I got these haters everywhere that I go. Yeah, got know I had these haters everywhere I go, and I know I have messed up a lot of times. I know that these people be tripping on me, but they're sleeping on me, man. But that's okay, the earthquake is coming through, boy. And they're gonna know. All them so-called Christian bros never there when I try to call. I don't need them. Them so-called worldly bros, man, I don't need them. What you gave me, man, right now, what you gave me is what I need. To my job, to my family right here in Texas, to my girl, man, that's what I need. I ain't tripping about nobody else. What's up?